Welcome to Panda Chats, a series of short animated conversations designed to help you learn useful Chinese in context. Each episode features a simple everyday conversation using HSK1 vocabulary. In today's episode, Alex has just arrived at Peking University as an international student, and he's meeting one of his classmates, Lily, for the first time. Listen to their conversation, and don't worry if you don't understand everything, we'll break it down together afterwards.
你好，你是新学生吗？
你好，是，我是新学生。
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Alex。你呢？
我叫 Lily， 很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你。
你学习汉语吗？
是，我学习汉语。
Let's take a closer look at some of the language from that conversation. First, Lily asks,
你是新学生吗？
Literally, this is you are new student. Or in natural English, are you a new student? Notice how ma is placed at the end of a sentence. In Chinese, this is a verbal question mark.
你是新学生吗？
Next, Lily asks,
你叫什么名字？
literally, you are called what name? Natural English, what's your name? Jiao means to be called and Mingzi means name. So, when you want to tell someone your name, you can say,
我叫 Alex。
My name is Alex. Next, Lily says,
很高兴认识你。
this means nice to meet you. The useful word here is
认识，
it means to know or to meet someone.
很高兴认识你。
Nice to meet you. It's a very useful phrase when meeting someone for the first time. Now, Alex says,
是，我学习汉语。
yes, I study Chinese. There are two useful words here.
学习
Means to study or to learn, and
汉语
means Chinese language. So,
我学习汉语。
means I study Chinese. Now we've looked at the key words from the dialogue, let's listen again.
你好，你是新学生吗？
你好，是，我是新学生。
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Alex。你呢？
我叫 Lily， 很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你。
你学习汉语吗？
是，我学习汉语。
So, was it easier to follow this time? If not, then don't worry. Go back to the language focus section and then give the dialogue another listen. Let's practice speaking the key phrases. Listen and repeat.
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Alex。
你是新学生吗？很高兴认识你。
我学习汉语。
If you've got any feedback, comments or questions about today's lesson, then feel free to leave them below, and if you want to catch the next video in the series, then be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.